morning, Desert Heights Coyotes, and thanks for joining us. I am Zach, and this is my co-anchor, Serenity. We begin tonight with a developing story.
Today, students from all over the school are meeting to talk about a very important behavior expectation for our success at school.
These students are looking at one of the expectations that we have in the how. Today we are going to discuss the O, which stands for own your own actions and choices, and how we can show this part of the how in the bathrooms.
Our own Alex is live with a few students to ask how they own their actions and choices in the bathroom.
How do you own your actions in the bathroom? Ask your teacher to go to the bathroom. How do you own your actions in the bathroom? Make the bathroom clean. How do you own your actions in the bathroom? Don't splash water from the sink.
Here are some students with examples.
Now that we have learned how some students own their actions and choices in the bathroom, we as a news team would like you to talk with your classmates about what you have learned.
We want you to focus on owning your own actions and choices in the bathroom this week. You've been watching DHES TV News.
Goodbye and make it a great week, Coyotes.